And let's go quickly to Israel and Tel Aviv to welcome another keynote speaker. And we are delighted to welcome Zohar Sharon, Chief Knowledge Officer, Tel Aviv Municipality, Director of the Center of Applied Urban Information Technologies, to present us a smart way for citizen engagement. Welcome, Mr. Sharon. Nice to meet you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, Athens. I'm in Tel Aviv now, but I'm missing Athens, so I hope next time that I can come and meet you all. I'll talk about the new smart way for citizen engagement that we are doing in Tel Aviv. I don't know if you know exactly, but Israel is a startup nation, and Tel Aviv is a startup city. A lot of startups are in Tel Aviv. Thousands of startups are in Tel Aviv. And we love to host them and we love to help them. The Tel Aviv is actually the Mediterranean capital of cool, a lot of parties. I'm not talking about these days, of course. A lot of youngsters, young, wild, and free city. A third of our residents are between the age of 18 to 35. And there's a lot of talents in Tel Aviv. In Tel Aviv, you can do whatever you want. If you are a talent person, you can succeed. It is a very tolerant city. You can be whatever you want to be in Tel Aviv, whatever you want to do in Tel Aviv, whatever you want to talk about in Tel Aviv. It's a very, very tolerant city. It is one of our very most important value. But it wasn't like that. Like if you will look back 20 years ago, Tel Aviv was a different city. And we made a turnaround. We took the city and we made a turnaround to the city. And we made it by advanced financial management, revenue maximization, by a clear vision for the city with a long-term strategy, by investment in human capital and organizational culture in the city hall, in the municipality itself. It's very important. By openness to new initiatives and ideas. A lot of initiatives and new ideas. Some of them are simply crazy ideas, but wonderful ideas. Best customer service. It's very important for us, best customer service is very important for the services for the citizens and our customers. Investment in public spaces, it's very important. All of these things that we made in the last 20 years, okay? When we were sure that we are the best city in the world and the best municipality in the world. In the left picture, on the left side of the picture, you can see the municipality of Tel Aviv. We made some focus groups with our citizens and we asked them two questions. The first question was, what do you think about the city of Tel Aviv? So they said, it's a great city, we love the city, parties, fun, and so on. And the next question was, what do you think about the municipality of Tel Aviv, City Hall? So they said, it's a terrible municipality, it's a terrible bureaucrats, it's worst municipality in the world. So we asked ourselves, how can it be? How can the city can be great and the city hall can be awful for the citizens, okay? Because we have to understand when citizens are talking about the city and the municipality, they are talking only about, in general, they are talking about problems, parking tickets, problems with water, with sanitation, and so on. The city is great, but the city hall is very, bad. And we have to understand that we have a lot of youngsters in the city. This is the generation of the selfie generation, that is thinking only about himself and thinking, what can I generate from the city? And let's see, and let's meet Michelle. This is Michelle. She is 30 years old. She is living in Tel Aviv.
Hi.
Hi, Michelle. So this is Michelle, and Michelle is a very nice woman. And of course, she has a husband.
Hello.
Her husband, George, is living with her in Tel Aviv. And these two couples have children.
Yay!
And their children are in the age of 5 and 4, and even they have a baby. So, and of course,
Funny.
they have their parents who are living in Tel Aviv, and even they have their dog Lucky, okay? And they love to, and Michelle loves to run, and she loves to play, and she loves to drink coffee and sit in the restaurants, and even she loves great music. So how we, as a municipality, can help her with all of this information in her daily life? Where is all the information? How can we gather it in order to give Michelle and her husband great information and great services, target information? Because the information is all over the place, and we have to gather it in one place in order to look at her and see what she needs. We have to take the information and gather her through her in concentration information, okay? So all of the information, we have to relate it to her husband, her children, even her dog, her babies, her parents, and so on, okay? So we built Digitel. Digitel Aviv is a personalized web communication and mobile communication, okay, which provides residents with individually tailored location-specific, life situation-based information and services. It's a citizens' loyalty club for the citizens of Tel Aviv. In Digitel, they are getting personalized city information, benefits, and e-services. So if you are citizens of Tel Aviv, okay, and only the citizens of Tel Aviv can get this kind of information, okay, they are getting from the municipality by push. I mean by push, emails, SMS texts, and push notifications, okay? Personal information, only the information and services they need, nothing else, okay? Each one of the citizens getting different services, different information, different benefits, different e-services, and so on. For example, this young couple, Michelle and George, okay, they're getting personalized city information about their baby, about their dog, about their parents, and what to do tomorrow with their child, where to go next week, what kind of information they need from the municipality, and so on. They are getting a lot of free benefits from the city. You know, a lot of discounts for VIP events, for shopping, for going to the beach, getting to the beach and renting an umbrella and chair in a discount, very cheap price, okay? A lot of benefits just because they are in Digitel. And of course, they are getting a lot of e-services. For example, if Michelle has to register her child to a preschool, kindergarten, she doesn't have to go to the website and enter and put all the information about her and their ID and her age and the age of the baby and the name of the baby and so on. No. In the beginning of the registration for kindergarten, she's getting a text message, SMS text. It's a smart text, okay? When she are pushing the text, the smart SMS, she can register her child in 2 minutes because she doesn't have to identify herself. She doesn't have to put the information because we know all the information. She just has to complete the registration in 2 minutes, and that's it. She's getting the information, the right information, but only the parents who has to register their child will get this text message. If I don't have a child in the age of 5, for example, I will not get this text message, and so on. There's a lot of services like that that we can share with the citizens, okay? So Digitel, all the departments of the municipality are putting their information to the system. All of them are putting in the same metadata in order that the machine of Digitel can give you the right information in the right time, in the right moment, okay? The departments of the municipality, all of the departments are putting the information from sanitation, from education, from welfare, from engineering, all of them are putting the information, and the system knows exactly when to send and what to send to the right person, okay? In Digitel, there are sub-clubs, like Digitel for young children in the age of birth to 3. Only the parents who have children in the age birth to 3 are in Digi Small. It's like Digitaf in Hebrew. If they have a dog, they have a Digi Dog, okay? Because we know that they have a dog because they are registered their dog in the municipality, you know. And also a lot of services for all kinds of services of citizens. The information is automatic. What do I mean? We have an algorithm that we built that know exactly to send the right information to the right person. You can see here newsletters, automatically newsletter. Each one of the citizens is getting different information. Even in one family, each one of the persons in the family can get different information according to a lot of personal needs and so on. So after it, to conclude, when we ask the citizens, so tell us now, what do you think about the city and what do you think about the municipality? We got a lot of improvement in our surveys. We saw that the citizens are much more satisfied from the municipality because they understand what they are getting from the municipality, what kind of information, services, and benefits they can get from the municipality. So this is a very short presentation about our new smart way for citizen engagement in Tel Aviv. Thank you.
Mr. Sharon, thank you for your presentation, and thank you to accept our invitation to speak at our Smart Cities Conference.